Hello to all. I am Dr. Shraddha Ashapure, Assistant Professor in Department of English, Government Model College, Chhavwa. Topic of my today's lecture is Importance of English Literature. English literature is important in many different ways. English literature tells us about the history of the English speaking world. In other words, through this literature, we are able to learn about ourselves and our history. English literature also teaches us many lessons that have universal themes such as love, war, desire, justice, and many more. When we read these topics, we become much more sophisticated in our thinking and our view of the world expands. This makes us better citizens. It is rightly said, literature is the mirror of society. Therefore, English literature also makes us think as we might not necessarily agree. We will have to form opinions and convictions of our own, and the reading of English literature can help us in the process. When we study literature, our horizons are broadened because we can learn about and come to understand people who are different from us. By learning poetries, dramas, novels, and short stories of different authors around the continent, around this globe, we discover our own identity, and in this journey of self-learning, we experience so many themes, so many other stories and experiences. English literature, not only English literature, but literature of any language, encourages us to be sensitive to the whole spectrum of human experience and to consider this when making decisions in our day-to-day lives. Academically, studying literature also helps us to refine our own writing skills and expand our vocabularies. Literature is also a form of time travel that helps put today in context. All those lamentations about how things used to be so much better are controverted in literature of the last generation, the last century, all the way back to Shakespeare and beyond. Conversely, reading about how people lived in the past can really make you appreciate what humanity is able to accomplish and endure. In the classics, you may read about political battles, domestic abuses, prejudice, and civil rights, and many more. History tells us what people did, and literature tells us what they were thinking. Therefore, importance of literature is accepted and realized by all of us. It not only enriches our life, but it is also a value addition in our life. Thank you so much.